Hey guys, today I have a requested video from my Instagram on my Hoover Dual V when Savvy. It's the original Savvy. Everything blue you see on it's from a Dual V that I purchased parts from eBay. It still needs so much work. I might get a new one of these for it if I can find it for a good enough price because all the screw holes are like broken. I need upholstery tool and a new holder and an extension wand and crevice tool. I had to get a new handle for it because the brush roll wouldn't work. So I bought a new handle off eBay. And that's the model number. I don't have any pictures for this one. Because this project's been going on for like a year. So many screws to get this hose on. And this hose isn't even that stretchy. I don't know what Hoover was thinking when I did this. The main selling point of these were the brush roller. How is there dirt? I just cleaned it. I don't know. Where are the brush rollers? Because they spun. There's actually 4 brush rollers. These are so expensive to replace. It's like 30 bucks for a new one of these. When I bought it, the head adjustment did not come with it. I spent so much money on this vacuum and I got it for $15. But you can see there's 2 air baths. And then there's the 1 tunnel system. You can see up here. The no Hoover vacuum is complete without the twin chamber system. Which I cleaned it out, except the seal, because I don't know how to clean the seal off. It is in a filter, but it's the only filter I have right now for the twin chamber. I might wash it. If I mess it up, I'll just buy a new one. You can see, pretty clean. I have the bagged chamber for this too, which I got off eBay. Yeah, no system. I don't get why they would make this on here, because all you're doing is knocking the dirt off the filter, putting it down here for it to just vacuum it back up. That's not that really, I don't know. But there's no secondaries to the filter, it's just that. And then exhaust, which I need a new exhaust filter. Headlight, I lost the sticker for it, don't know where it went. But yeah. Let me go plug it in and I'll do a video of it vacuuming. Hey guys, it's Gabe, and I got this Hoover Savvy for $10 from someone. It looks clean. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to vacuum this tiny square piece of carpet I have with the Hoover Savvy. See how it goes. 3, 2, 1. like 10 o'clock at night, but you know, it did pick up a lot of fur and stuff. The handle on this one's also bad because when I put it on bare floor, it goes to carpet. And when I put it on carpet, it stays on carpet. I don't know how to fix that. But yeah, there's the video. My Hoover savvy. Thank you. I don't know. Watch my other videos. Also, I don't know why it's not letting me turn the comments on anymore. If you know how to fix that, please tell me. Yeah, thank you. Bye.